What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Solana. We may get one more little push. We're sitting at 132, but we can drop from here. We're down 0.92 on the day. See market cap 58.3 billion. 24-hour volume 4.72 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, my trade signals are completely free. Here's our last week results: 10 wins, 1 loss, total profit 403% in cryptocurrency. Stick around to the end of the video to gain access. So we're consolidating within this wedge. We have started to push out of it just a little bit. So there is the opportunity for Sol to put in one more higher high to complete this micro count in a 5-way move in between 144 and 149. And then I do think you'll see a large pullback back towards 110. So if we pop over to our chart here, we're going to open this up. We are pushing into strong resistance, as I've been showing you. Look at all this support and resistance in this area. So it makes sense for Sol to pull back. So basically what I'm looking at off the bear market low, beautiful wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, and you're just slowly starting to push up in that massive wave 3 that will take you towards the all-time high. And the micro count would be that you've completed, or you're going to create one more higher high to complete this wave 1. And then potentially pull all the way back towards this support zone in between about 97 to about 110, and then bounce off that support and see continuation back to the upside. That's what I think is likely. One more pullback for Sol before Bitcoin breaks all-time high. Of course, anything can happen. Bitcoin could break all-time high before the halving, which would be spectacular and absolutely historical, and we would love to see it. Let me open up Bitcoin quickly, because I think I'm just going to get this one video out today. Yeah, so here's BTC. I do think there's a decent chance we're going to put in one more higher high, which will allow Sol also to create that higher high and basically push right up to the top of this zone. Now the all-time high is at 69K. We already hit 69K. So if we put in a higher high to 70K, we will break the all-time high, which would be absolutely spectacular. But I do think we will see a rejection from the zone and a large pullback towards the 50K range. But I think there's a decent chance we're going to put in a higher high first and potentially hit 70,000, which would break the all-time high. And basically we are at extreme greed. Right now we're in extreme greed. We keep setting new highs on the crypto fear greed. We're at 90 right now, guys. So I think what the whales are looking for is to push it right up to the all-time high, slightly break it, and allow the retail investors and the retail buyers to FOMO in. And then you're going to see that nice juicy pullback. That's what I think is likely for the price of Bitcoin. So that would allow Sol to create that one more higher high before seeing a large pullback. That's what I'm looking at. If you want completely free access to my signals, as you saw from last week, we had 10 wins and 1 loss for a total profit of 403%. We've already hit take profits on multiple trades this week. All you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including from our US and Canadian traders. You get 10% back on your trading fees, which will cover your little $2 or $1 TRC transfer to put money into the exchange. Or MEXC, it has more trading pairs, but you will need a VPN in North America. So sign up to one of these exchanges and then send me an email after you make your first deposit. You can deposit $10, $100, it doesn't matter. My signals are free. I don't need your money. I just want to help you reach financial freedom. And then send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, member profits. The members have been absolutely killing it with my signals and with their own trades. So this is one of my signals, CRV. They like to use higher leverage than I recommend, but to each their own. As you can see, CRV, XRP was also one of my signals. And Forex signals, Forex analysis, we killed it last week in Forex. 15 wins, 8 losses. Did really well in Forex as well. So all links down below. Free access with a sign up and deposit, and then just send me an email. It's easy as that. There's absolutely no catch. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the Discord. Much love. Take care.